let's leave it. Yeah, let's leave it. Anyway, I play mbira from Zimbabwe. This is a special kind of mbira. This is called the Pfumojena extension. There's a guy called John Pfumojena. Yes, the one written here. His name is John Pfumojena. The Nyunga Nyunga mbira originally has 15 keys, and he did this extension of the Nyunga Nyunga mbira, which has 21 keys. So, so yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy, a bit of Zimbabwe, because I think all the pieces we're going to do here are Zimbabwean songs. We're going to start with a song called Sambo. I love this song so much. Talks about, it's an outcry from somebody talking about how life has gotten so hard for them. But it's a beautiful song. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's one of my favorite, actually.